If you want to set up a secure folder on POCO F7, then the first thing that you can do is go to the Files app by Google. This is of course a file manager where we can create a safe folder. So over here in collections we have the safe folder. We can create a pin code or a pattern for the lock. So let's say I'm going to choose a simple pin code. Let's press next, enter the same password again, and press next. Of course, we need to remember our password, otherwise we will lose access to our safe folder. With this safe folder, now we can transfer pretty much every file that you have on your phone into that safe folder, so that in order to access these files, you will have to go to the safe folder, therefore you will have to unlock the folder. So let's say in my case I'm going to go to downloads. I want to hide this file over here, so I can tap on these three dots on the right side, and then I cannot actually move it here, so I'm going to press and hold my finger in order to select the file, tap on these three dots, and then we have move to safe folder. We need to enter password of the safe folder in order to confirm. Of course, we can also move images as well, so if you have something, you can just select it, just press and hold your finger. Then you can also select multiple files at once, tap on these three dots for example, and choose to move to safe folder. And you can do the same thing with pretty much everything. If you go to the safe folder and enter the password, you should be able to have everything that you moved to the secure folder or the safe folder. You can also remove something from the safe folder by tapping on the three dots right next to the file, and then you can choose move out of safe folder. Once again, you can press and hold in order to start selecting, and you can select multiple data at once. Tap on these three dots in the top right corner in order to move out, like so. Unfortunately, we cannot really move apps, for example, to the safe folder, so some restrictions are unfortunately applied. So if you want to use some sort of privacy for selected apps, then you can, for example, set up the app lock. To do so, we're gonna go to settings, scroll down and go to apps, and then over here we have the app lock. Press turn on. Now we need to set up the password for the app lock. By default we use pattern, but we can tap on the change password in order to use pin or password. So I'm gonna use a simple pattern, draw it twice in order to confirm your password, and then press next. You can also use Xiaomi account to be able to recover the password. You can also press not now in order to not use the Xiaomi account. Then we have the suggested apps that we can lock, but I'm gonna actually uncheck everything, and then we're gonna proceed by using use app lock button. You can also use fingerprint sensor for the app lock as well. So now if you want to have a private access to some apps, you can tap on the switchers right next to these apps in order to enable the password for these apps. So now if we go to the for example YouTube, as I have enabled the app lock for YouTube, as you can see I can either use my fingerprint sensor or I have to use the password that I set up. Besides that, there is also one more option, and that is the option that allows you to hide apps. So to do so, we can open security app. Now we're gonna scroll all the way down and then swipe up in order to open the toolbox. Over here, go to hide apps. Now we can choose whichever app should be hidden. So in my case, I'm gonna use, let's say, the Facebook app. And we also have the instruction what we need to do in order to find those hidden apps. So we need to spread two fingers apart on the home screen in order to see them. So let's say I'm gonna also use, let's say this game, why not? And if I go to the home screen, I can use the gesture in order to open hidden apps. And as you can see, these apps will not be displayed in the app drawer. So we have multiple different ways to store something privately, either by setting up a password or by hiding it in one way or the other. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.